Hey everyone, nice to meet you. My name is David from Cosmostation. I'm currently co-founder and CSO at the company. I have a general deck ready here for you. I'll make it quick so we can network afterwards. So we were founded late 2017, officially established 2018. Currently have 450 retail customers across our Block Explorer, Validator Node, and end-user apps like wallets. We are a validator node operator company in its essence. We run validator nodes across 80 protocols. And out of those 80 protocols, about 60 are Cosmos chains, and we're also validating on Ethereum, SUI, several other L1s, L2s. And yeah, this is sort of a general list of the partners we're currently working with: SUI, Cosmos, Ethereum, Ethereum infrastructure companies like BUIDL, Crane, blockchains like Wemix as well. And this is our growth history. We started with Cosmos, built tools for Cosmos, and ran validators. We built a tool called MintScan, which is the Ether scan of Cosmos. So it's a block explorer being used officially by all the Cosmos chains. So we did that since 2019, built out the team, started with 3 people. We're currently now at 30. Now in year 2023, we're also doing other L1s, Ethereum, SUI, Celestia. And this is MintScan. We have support for EVM contracts and CosmWasm contracts. CosmWasm is a Cosmos-specific smart contract language, and we'll also be having support for Nolang, which is a language used on Noland. It's a project by Jay Kwon, who's the founder of Cosmos. So this is MintScan Hub. I'll show you the original MintScan. This is the block explorer being used by all the official Cosmos chains. And this is the first version. And now we're launching MintScan V2 next month in Paris at OsmoCon. And this is an upgraded analytics platform for the interchain protocols. And you can see more in-depth data, more visualization. I would like to think that we are good at showing data in a readable way, in a human readable way. So yeah, we're working on this, launching this in a month. And also, some visual things like, so this is like a real-time visualization of all the transactions going on in Osmosis, which is another Cosmos app chain. You can click on individual addresses, chains, relayers, and whatnot, and see like an aggregated visual overview. Yeah, and another product we have is Cosmostation Wallet. We have an extension wallet and an iOS and Android wallet that supports multi-chain. So basically what we do is we work with protocols as a validator node operator and also support them on the infrastructure side and end user side. We provide things like RPC node endpoints, wallets, explorers, dev tooling, everything a protocol might need to scale their product and their protocol. And last but not least, we have a accelerator fund program. We invest in projects that we strategically work with together as a validator node operator and sometimes end user product developer. So this is a basic overview of what we do, and we are looking to fill in roles for our business development lead and business development associate, and also a marketing associate. The business development associate would speak with our partner protocols, do some due diligence on potential partners that we would work with, and also work on strategic decisions on what we could be doing with the protocols that we work with. The marketing associate, marketing CM, would assist in hosting events, social media, content marketing. We're looking to do a lot more events starting this year and host, develop it into sort of a platform for protocols to advertise their project, get the word out, grow the developer community and whatnot. So yeah, these 2 roles are what we're looking for, and looking forward to a network with you guys after this. Thank you.